Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, September 1st, 2015, and U.S. stock market is closed. September didn't get off to a very good start today. There was, again, some really bad news out of China today. It would appear that economy is really contracting, and the statistics that came out really underscored that, and both the European and U.S. markets really fell apart. The Dow lost 3% today and is down 470 points. That's quite a fall, and you can see here what happened is this really first 15 minutes it fell out, and then it kind of just creeped lower all day long, which was kind of unusual, I thought, but that's what happened. So we ended up down 470 points on the Dow. We only had two positions coming in, but still, when you have that kind of fall, you get hit pretty hard. Those two positions, by the time we closed them out, were negative $4,000. And then I wish we could stay out of these markets when it's doing this, but we got into four positions. Three are negative and one is positive. So we're holding negative $2,900 going into tomorrow. So obviously not a great day for us, but I guess everything considered, with the Dow down 470 points, we could certainly have done a lot worse. At least we didn't have a lot of positions coming in. The only thing I have to say, I called the Dow up, up for today. Yesterday I said it would be up for today. Obviously, I was very severely wrong, and I have been wrong 2 days in a row now. I'm still going to call it up again tomorrow. I'm in spite of a 470 point drop. This part of the selling today looks pretty controlled, and it doesn't look like there's much panic in here. And I'm just looking at it and say, well, how much more bad news can we have coming out of China? I mean, I think we're pretty much beating that horse to death. And you can see, even though we're down a lot here, we're still a long ways from these panic lows 6 days ago. And I don't think it's very likely it's going to go down to those levels even from here. So I'm calling it up for tomorrow. I'll just show you a couple things. One disappointing trade today was in Sun Edison. This thing popped up and we got into it, and we actually had some decent profits for maybe 15-20 minutes, or 15 minutes to a half hour, and then it started selling off, went against us, and then it looked like it was going to rally again, and then it failed again, then tried to rally again and failed again the last hour. I mean, a real roller coaster here. We're down about $1,400 in Sun Edison. We did have one good trade today. Just crazy on a day like today. What's the good trade? It's in Rave Restaurant Group. And this has been a crazy stock. I mean, we've done really well in it. But anyway, we got into this here right out of the gate this morning. It just kept going, and we're holding $3,000 positive in Rave Restaurant. So that was good. Anyway, another frustrating day. We just have to wait and see what happens. I don't know how there can be much more bad news coming out. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.